Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into an oil that promises to revive dry hair, promote growth, and restore shine. The rich Grand Batana oil immediately caught my eye, mostly because Batana oil has a long history as a natural remedy used by indigenous communities in Central America for hair repair and scalp health. Of course, this brand has bottled it up as a premium treatment, because nothing says traditional healing like a fancy label and a price tag to match. The first thing you'll notice is the texture. It's rich, thick, and earthy, featuring a natural nutty scent that feels authentic rather than like you've been doused in a gallon of department store perfume. It melts between your palms into a smooth oil that spreads easily, whether you're targeting your hair or massaging it directly into your scalp. A little goes a long way here, so you won't need to dump half the bottle on your head just to see results. Unless, of course, your goal is to look like a deep fryer accident. When applied to the scalp, it feels soothing and moisturizing without that immediate, heavy, greasy feeling we all dread. If you leave it on as a treatment, it sinks in to nourish the roots while calming down any dryness or flaking that's been ruining your black t-shirt collection. On the hair itself, it adds noticeable softness and shine, which is a total godsend if your strands are currently screaming for help after years of heat styling and questionable dye jobs. After rinsing, your hair feels less brittle and much easier to detangle, proving that Batana oil's reputation for repair isn't just more marketing fluff. What's most impressive is its versatility. You can use it as an overnight deep treatment, a pre-shampoo scalp massage, or a leave-in oil for ends that are currently drier than a conversation with your ex. It's a flexible addition to your hair care toolkit that actually manages to deliver on its promises. Overall, the rich Grand Batana oil lives up to its promise of delivering a deeply nourishing traditional remedy for hair and scalp care. If you're struggling with dryness, damage, or thinning and want a natural approach with actual history behind it, this oil makes a very strong case for itself. It's the perfect blend of cultural wisdom and modern self-care, finally giving your hair a chance to look like it belongs to a functional human being.